You gonna open it now? Do you want me to help you so you don't rip the bag?
No.
Yeah? Or you want to rip it?
Hey, no, you help me.
Here, let me take the tape off. Okay, there you go. What is it? What does it look like?
Help me.
What does it look like?
I don't know.
Does it have a face on it? Right there? No? Look in the front. Is there a smiley face?
Yeah, I don't know what it is.
It's a snake. Let's see if we can take that off right there.
Parker, do you want oatmeal?
Look at a snake. Now shake it like this and it slithers. Do you like that?
You want oatmeal, Parker?
No.
What do you think? You like it?
No.
No? There you do. Say thank you, Mimi.
Where is she?
She's going to see this video. You say thank you, Mimi? I see you through the snake. Can you say thank you?
Look it.
Yeah, put your face through it and say thank you. Now say it.
Where is she? Where is she? That's the puzzle box.
She'll see this. We'll send her the video, but you have to say thank you.
Thank you.